loving you. Shining through every day. I'm in love with you.
How about we have some dark chocolate to start the day?
Chelsea will get these allergy attacks out of nowhere, which, oh my god, I don't want to be stuck on the kayak with her having, I mean, it's not about me, it's about her. Hopefully this little bugger right here will stop that from happening.
What is it?
It's a horse pill. It's an allergy. La 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 la. La 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 la. Do 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 do. Okay, Chelsea.
Okay, let me just get...
You can also get a sausage, bacon, or a grilled chicken.
Sausage, bacon, or grilled chicken. Okay, I don't want the biscuit. I want, like, chicken, egg, and cheese.
Okay. You want just a fillet with a folded egg and cheese on the side?
Perfect. You just put it on top of it. Yeah, that's great. A little container or something. Thank you.
Hold on one moment, please.
He's like, is there a button for that?
Yeah.
You don't have a button for that. You don't. At Houston, there's a problem. There's no button for that.
Before you go out on a kayak, you need to... They actually have toilet paper. It's so interesting how just getting out in nature can help. Well, of course you get fresher air, especially around somewhere like this, but it can be so rejuvenating. I think about all these young people that basically live on video games. I don't know, I think it would take a while for them to actually get acclimated to the benefits of this.
Yeah.
I think they would be too kind of out of their...
It'd be boring for them.
Boring, yeah. So how was it? Did you enjoy the kayaking?
Yeah.
I enjoyed it very much. My favorite part was going under the trees really close. Yeah. And I got a couple cool shots of that on the camera.
I like that too.
Look at these beautiful flowers there. And that beautiful sky there. Flowers, sky. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, we'll wear you out though.
Yeah, you're feeling it, huh?
I'm hungry.
Yeah.